Hey, what's up, guys? Here we are with another unboxing. Today, I have for you the AirPods Pro. Let's go ahead and open it and see what they're all about. And I hope you enjoyed this video.
These are not as satisfying because they
Yeah,
used to be better.
they didn't do them like the other ones.
Cheaper now. Ready?
That's just a bunch of instructions, no stickers.
Nope.
Wow.
Right? Expensive ass things and no stickers.
I never used them anyway. I never used them anyway.
Me neither. So why are we complaining?
Yeah. Cool. What's that?
Ear tips.
Ear tips. Okay.
Yeah, small and large.
And they have the mediums on?
Mediums only. USB-C cable.
And it
That's
doesn't
what
come
it
with the
is.
box?
No.
What?
Your AirPod, your iPhone comes with this type of connection on the box. It's a lot faster. That's why they put it this way, so you can use the same one from the iPhone.
What if you don't have a new iPhone?
Then the MacBooks have this, a new one. But if you don't have the new MacBooks, then guess what? You're screwed, because how the hell are you gonna connect it?
You have to buy the box.
You would think at least put a little small box in here.
Right, a cute one.
Yeah, but that's it.
Alrighty, guys, so this is gonna be all for today's video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave it down below. in the comment box. Thanks for watching once again. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't done so.